So today we have the privilege to have the super capable and accomplished YE here with us. So she's a multi-millionaire investor, an entrepreneur, a wealth and business coach, and consultant, and the list just goes on. So there's like literally nothing that she can't do. So hi YE, how are you?
Hello, Sarah. Thank you for having me today.
So thank you so much for dialing in all the way from Germany. And it's so great to have you on the call to share with us your experience with Forex Briefcase. But before we do that, it'll be great if you could share a little bit more about yourself.
Right. Well, Sarah, I think you've given me a really amazing introduction. I can't say that I do it all, but yeah, I am an investor and I'm originally from Singapore, but I've been away from my home country, Singapore, for over 20 plus years. And the last 20 years, I've been here in Germany with my family. And and the last couple of decades, I was an attorney in the beginning, and the last decade or so, we've started doing a lot of investing, predominantly in real estate, but I have branched out since then into equities trading. And in the process, I decided that I wanted to also have some hedging, which was why somehow along the way, Forex Briefcase came onto my path to do passive investing and to create some passive income. Yeah, but yes, I do a lot of different things. I do coach to some extent, but generally I am into investing. I'm sitting on certain boards of tech companies, which I absolutely love, and being able to help mold certain companies grow. I'm also in, like I said, I'm also in real estate. I love real estate. I do flipping, which is like, I buy small apartments in Frankfurt and then I will renovate them and I will resell them. At the same time, I also have a portfolio of real estate just for rental income. I do a lot. Yeah, so I can go on and on and on. But I love coaching. I love giving back to young people, to the next generation like yourself, and to be able to teach them how to have the confidence in themselves to succeed in life and to create wealth, And Forex Briefcase is also part of the entire big picture that I have, another piece of the puzzle. Yeah, I hope that helps a little bit.
She's too humble. So I understand that you got to know Forex Briefcase through a friend. So at that point, what made you sign up? And do you have any expectations when you first joined Forex Briefcase?
Yeah, I love this question. Firstly, I just want to say thank you to that friend whose name is going to stay anonymous. He is already a client of yours, of Forex Briefcase. And even though I didn't know him that well at the time, he actually gave an amazing recommendation of Forex Briefcase, what he's experienced as an investor, and the kind of returns that he's been getting. And he was very convincing. Right? And I took his word for it. It was a little bit of a leap of faith that has borne tremendous fruit. I did not know your boss, Jin, personally. Of course, I have grown to really like him and got to know him very well since then. He's an absolutely amazing person. Amazing. Jin is absolutely amazing. Your founder, who has a great vision, extremely brilliant. But at that point in time, I didn't know him. I did need to put a lot of money to work because I liquidated quite a few of my real estate assets. And because I have been in one asset class for a very long time, like I said, predominantly real estate, it is so important as an investing strategy to diversify into different asset classes. And at the same time, I was also doing a lot of equities trading myself, which doing quite well, but it is basically very active on my part. Like I'm working very hard to make my money work for me, but to be able to have also, that was when diversification came in. I needed to have people like yourselves, like Forex Briefcase, to take some of my money, give me a peace of mind by delivering returns to me through passive income to help me hedge my risk and mitigate my risks in investing. Yeah, and so through that great recommendation from your client, I just decided to go right ahead with Forex Briefcase, and I have not regretted it since then.
Well, thank you so much for your kind words also. So you've actually been with us for about 10 months since September 2020. And within the last 10 months, you gained a gross ROI of about 23.98%. So how do you feel about these returns?
Absolutely fantastic. I mean, that blows my mind. I work very hard myself in my trading to get that kind of returns, and to have someone deliver it to me without me having to do anything about it. Wow, I am absolutely blown away. It's fantastic. Also because I live in Germany, where we've been having a negative interest rate environment for a very long time now. In fact, we actually have the problem of having to pay the bank's money to keep our money there, so you guys, Forex Briefcase delivering over 20% to me is absolutely fantastic. Wow, I'm so impressed, and honestly, I'm very, very happy.
And here's to more returns.
Yes, absolutely.
So apart from the returns, what is the best thing you like about Forex Briefcase?
Yeah, I was gonna, I think it's this ability to be able to access the portal. I think that brings a certain amount of comfort and transparency, which is usually not available for other platforms, other investing platforms. That is a tremendous strength for someone who's very interested to see what's going on, and I have absolutely been enjoying that transparency as well. That's really that is great, and also get to see your process of trading and how that process of seeing my money grow the whole time. Fantastic. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah.
So do you have any plans on what you're going to do with all the returns that you've made?
Actually, for me personally, I can't speak for your other clients, but I think it is really great if I can leave the money for as long as I don't need it. So whatever returns that are made will be plowed back into my capital, and therefore it will grow in an accelerated way. Yeah, over time, it will compound the earnings. So this is really the best way to grow wealth. Yeah, and I absolutely intend to do that as long as I do not have plans to pull that money out. Yeah, give it a couple more years and then we'll see what happens. But I'm very happy to leave the money with Forex Briefcase. Yeah.
Yes, leave more. So,
I definitely will think about it. It depends on just deliver more amazing returns.
Sure will. So, would you recommend Forex Briefcase to others?
Absolutely, I absolutely will. In fact, I've already started doing that. Definitely Forex Briefcase. I'm very excited to see how you guys are going to continue to grow. I'm very, very sure that you're going to grow exponentially along with the exponential returns I'm going to get from Forex Briefcase.
So thank you so much for journeying with us, and thank you so much once again for taking time to jump on this call with me despite the time difference and your busy schedule as well. So it was
my pleasure.
Really a pleasure speaking to you as well. And hopefully you'll be able to come back to Singapore, or I'll be able to go to Germany to see you or something.
Absolutely. You have a place with me. Yes. So come look me up.
Can't wait. All right. Thank you so much again. And do take care, stay safe, and see you around as well. Thank you.
Bye.